Good day. My name is Bala Dixon of GMG Guidance School, Batch 7, Group 10. My mentor is Mr. Su. I am about to present GMG ideology video. Meaning of GMG. Green Mavro Global is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. GMG is a community of ordinary people selflessly helping each other, created by a group of former MMM participants and guiders. GMG ideology. The main goal why MMM participants created this community is to continue in fighting the unfair financial system of the world. It aims to demolish the unfair world financial system and to strengthen its participants. Our aim is to also actualize the dreams of Sergei Mavrodi, and our community is built on blueprints of his tenets. We have taken time to analyze the shortcomings of MMM, and we have put in place measures to curb most of its flaws. Thanks to GMG for the continuation of financial apocalypse is inevitable and unavoidable. How GMG works. GMG is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. For example, you donated 100,000. You will receive 100,000 marbles in your PO. You can get 30% growth per month until the time for your get help. And after 25 or 26 days, log in and PH again, equal or higher amount using recommitment option. 10% will be matched, and with this, when you get help, you can ask and receive 113,000, which is 100,000 times 30% growth. Benefits of GMG. After you provide help, you can get 30% growth per month from the amount you provided, and 10% from your old MMM Mavros. And you can also get bonus from your first provide help that range from $20 to $100. There are also different systems rewards assigned called Mavro, enjoyed by active participants and managers. Guiders bonus restructure. First level 2.5%, second level 3.5%, third level 2%, fourth and fifth levels 1%. Type of Mavros. There are two types of Mavros: the local currency Mavro and the cryptocurrency Mavro. The local currency Mavro, standard 30% contribution, 3-month 40% contribution, recommitment 30% contribution, recommitment 40% contribution. Then the cryptocurrency Mavro, crypto 50% contribution in 30 days, crypto 60% contribution in 90 days, crypto recommitment 50% contribution, crypto recommitment 60% contribution. bonus withdrawal 30% contribution. Rules of GMG. In GMG, people are allowed only with one account. Multiple accounts are prohibited. We must be honest and be fair to all participants. We must not cheat the system by making dummy accounts. All of the participants should be more cautious and obedient enough to obey the GMG ideology, which is helping each other. We must follow the ideology to obtain financial freedom and must help each other for the longevity of the system. Warning: there are no guarantees and no promises, neither explicit nor implicit. There are neither investments nor business. Participants help each other, sending each other money directly and without intermediaries. That's all. There's nothing more. There are no securities transactions, no relationship with the professional participants of the securities market. You do not acquire any securities. After all, you don't need them. There are no rules. In principle, the only rule is no rules at all. Even if you follow all of the instructions, you still may lose. You still may win. You might not be paid without any reasons or explanations. And in general, you can lose all your money. Always remember about this and participate only with spare money, or do not participate at all. Citizens of Russia, Kazakhstan, and Belarus are not allowed to participate in Green Mavro. Take your chances now to attain financial freedom. Bala Dixon cares.